That area is very annoying. It look, mommy, that weird. Like one different texture here right here. So what kind of area you have? She said when she got school she dry so and dry down. Mommy, that ugly. That very ugly. What?
So them have this new thing name. Or them call it soup, everything a soup. Soup or a drink.
Going there, 1, 2, 3. What's good? Ah!
So you have to say it all the while?
Yeah.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation 40, DJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I'll give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
I'm Prego, so my daughter helping me out to do my hair. I've just washed it. It is very clean.
Side eye.
So she wanna groom it for me.
What's good? Ah!
So you have to say it all the while?
Yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back with the next YouTube video. So today's video, I have my mother. Today video I have my mother, and today I'm gonna groom her ear. He already washed her already, and she eyelid. She just eyelid already.
Eyelid already.
Alright, so she already washed it. She already washed it on eyelid. As I can see, my roots properly done. So all left for groom. So I'm gonna groom it and show you how my groom here, and we're gonna see before and after. So this is the before. Take a look of the before. Alright, but this is the oil she use on eyeliner here. She always use this brand or whatever. But yes, see her ear before. See root. Oh, it's go on it right here. So see root just one properly done. Alright, so I'm gonna catch up our ear and section right now. I like the ear right here, so we're gonna put it. Because I groom, we just a groom. Alright guys, so I'm going to groom up your back and I'm going to speed up this process.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so we grew my back right here and you see it look different. First it look done. This actually look different from the first. You actually look properly. Don't mommy. Alright, so we're gonna finish up few more row and show you. So you see say foggy and you can't really see through it. But not so see through it. Mommy, that weird. Like she said that here and really a popcorn cause and you just ning yeah try and go on different texture here right here. So what kind of ear you have? Alright, so we're gonna finish up. I'm showing already. We soon come back. It's doing so properly. Like I am so proud. You look like you know when you have a rasta, you know you do a rasta and then you have a weave. Exactly, so it look like. Look how me lock this in my ear and it's still like get trouble.
I begin to.
She said when she got school she dry so and dry down. Tell me that ugly. That very ugly. What?
To them have this new thing name. Or them call it soup, everything a soup. Soup or a drink.
Alright guys, this is where we reached so far. We are going to groom up. We have a little bit leave, so we're almost finished. Okay, so this is the finishing look. So see, they're fresh and good and fresh. Alright guys, this is the finishing look. We finish up now here, well groomed and fresh and properly. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is chunLi for DJ